The air suspension is never going to be as reliable as coils. But if you keep these 4 things in your emergency kit for the air suspension, it can get you out of a lot of trouble.
Okay, Shane, tell me about these 4 items.
Yeah, we got these 4 things that we should have in case we have a EAS situation while we're out in the wilderness. We're starting off with the gap diagnostics tool, really helpful to manually activate the valves, and so we can kind of take over control from the computer. The second thing is this Schrader valve to an M20 connector here. That's going to plug directly into the air reservoir, and it allows us to put air into the tank even if the standard compressor is kaput. The third thing, these Schrader valves to quick connects. We've got 4 of them here, which means that each one of those can get connected directly to the strut should all the electronics or the valve blocks fail to work. And the last thing here are these air lines and quick connects. The idea is that if we get a rub through or something, maybe you can get the system going by just bypassing the section that's been damaged. All of these together are going to hopefully help to keep you moving on the trails should something go wrong.
We're waiting for the air suspension to raise, but we might have lost an airline or 2.
Come on, Shane, someone's got to give the fucking poor guy directions.
There's no, I think we just stopped.
We're basically riding an access height on this rocky trail.
But really the air suspension is pretty reliable.
And how come I have all this stuff?
I don't know, Andy, you tell me.
Well, you got it for me for my birthday.
Because you had a trip where stuff went pear-shaped, and I didn't want to go out again unless you'd had an emergency kit ready to go.
Nice. And how come it all fits in this box? Is that what you're telling me?
Everything's super compact, and that box seems like it's purpose fit. EAS emergency kit.
Oh my gosh, I'll never lose it.
Do you think Slime Corp is going to start selling these?
I could only hope so.
Probably not, pal.
Wishful thinking?
Yeah. You know, this is why people say that the air system is a little complicated. Look at all these routes. But what today's all about is understanding it a bit more so that you can be confident in how the system works, hopefully help you debug it, maybe repair something if you have a breakdown on the trail. The failure case compressor.
We can install this piece into the front of this air reservoir.
Taking a look at the valve block. Okay, go ahead. Well, hold on. What would happen if one of these struts failed?
So it's possible for the struts to fail by themselves?
What about an airline failing?
Valve blocks, struts, compressor, reservoir, they're all interconnected.